Have you ever wondered how your body heals itself, even when not doing anything at all? Imagine for a moment that your body is not just a physical shell, but a living, breathing pharmacy that works 24/7 to clean, repair, and restore every single cell. The truth is, your body is designed with a built-in detox and healing system. A 3-phase detox process that silently works behind the scenes every single day, but most people never even know it exists. If you've been feeling tired, bloated, foggy, or just off, your body might be calling for help. And if you don't listen to it, toxins build up, your liver slows down, your gut gets inflamed, and your cells start suffocating under the load. The good news, you don't need expensive detox drinks, pills, or powders. You just need to understand what your body already knows how to do and how to support it naturally. Before we go deep into the 3-phase system, here's one line that can change how you see health forever. Your body is not broken, it's just burdened, and if you give it a chance, it will always find its way back to balance. So watch till the end, because once you understand this natural detox rhythm, you'll know exactly how to reset your energy, strengthen your immunity, and feel truly alive again. Here's how the magic happens. The body's detox system works in 3 intelligent phases. Phase 1 is activation. Your liver takes toxins, hormones, and waste products and converts them into a form that can be handled. Think of it like unlocking a door. The toxin is still dangerous, but now it's ready to be processed. Phase 2 is neutralization. This is where your liver combines those activated toxins with special molecules like glutathione, sulfur, and amino acids. These binders grab the toxins, making them water-soluble, so they can be safely excreted. Phase 3 is elimination, the final step. Here, your body moves these neutralized compounds out through bile, urine, sweat, and breath. If any of these exit routes are blocked, constipation, dehydration, lack of movement, shallow breathing, toxins can get reabsorbed, causing fatigue, headaches, skin issues, or hormonal chaos. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They jump into detox without preparing the body. They skip meals, do juice cleanses, or overload on supplements. But if your elimination channels, liver, kidneys, lungs, skin, and colon, aren't open, those toxins have nowhere to go. The result, you feel worse. Your healing begins not by forcing detox, but by supporting it. You don't cleanse your body cleanses you. You just have to give it the right tools. Here are some golden health tips to naturally activate this 3-phase detox system. Hydrate deeply. Start your day with warm water and lemon to flush the liver. Eat fiber-rich foods like flax seeds, leafy greens, and apples. They sweep toxins out of your intestines. Support your liver with foods like beets, turmeric, garlic, and milk thistle. Breathe consciously. Deep breathing activates lymph flow and lung detox. Move daily. Gentle movement, walking, stretching, and sweating all boost circulation and toxin release. Sleep early. Your liver's repair window is between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Avoid processed foods and sugar. They block detox enzymes and overload the liver. Now let's go deeper emotionally, because healing isn't just physical. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, sends a chemical signal through your body. Anger affects the liver. Fear affects the kidneys. Sadness affects the lungs. So real detox means clearing both physical and emotional toxins. Forgive yourself. Let go of resentment. Breathe out stress. Healing starts inside. If you want to reset your body naturally, start with simplicity. Eat clean, drink water, move daily, and rest deeply. That's it. The body does the rest. Here's a simple call to action. Dan T. Fight your body. Support it. Watch this video till the end and start listening to what your body's been trying to tell you. When you align your lifestyle with your body's natural detox rhythm, everything starts changing. Your skin glows, your mind clears, your energy returns, and your hormones balance themselves. This isn't a miracle. It's biology working the way it was designed. Let's summarize what really happens. Phase 1. Activation. Liver enzymes awaken and begin processing toxins. Phase 2. Neutralization, nutrients, bind toxins, and make them water-soluble. Phase 3, elimination, toxins, leave the body through stool, sweat, urine, and breath. Each phase depends on your lifestyle. Without enough protein, antioxidants, or water, detox slows down. Without sleep or movement, toxins build up. But when you give your body what it needs, it repairs itself faster than any medicine can. And that's why fasting, herbal teas, exercise, and mindful breathing all help. Not because they detox you directly, but because they support your natural detox organs. Here's another golden health tip. Eat the rainbow. Each color supports a different detox pathway. Green for liver, spinach, kale, parsley, yellow for digestion, turmeric, lemon, ginger, red for circulation, beetroot, berries, purple for antioxidants, grapes, plums, eggplant, white for immunity, garlic, onion, mushrooms. Remember, healing doesn't happen overnight. Your body has its own clock. Trust the process, stay consistent, and you'll start feeling lighter, clearer, and stronger. If you've ever doubted your body's ability to heal, here's your reminder. It never stopped trying. It just needed your help. So today, give your liver a break, your lungs fresh air, your kidneys pure water, and your heart forgiveness. That's real detox, not in a bottle, but in your daily choices. Stay connected till the end, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn how to unlock your body's hidden healing system, restore balance, and feel alive again. And if you're ready to transform your health naturally, subscribe now, like the video, and share it with someone who needs this message. Your body is not your enemy, it's your greatest ally. Every second, it's working to protect you, cleanse you, and renew you. Support it with love, nutrition, and rest, and watch what happens. Golden Health final tip. Healing begins the moment you stop trying to fix everything and start giving your body the peace it needs to do what it was born to do, heal itself. Add relevant medical stock footage, liver detox process, cells regenerating, blood circulation, breathing exercises, healthy foods like greens, turmeric, lemon water, herbal tea, and peaceful nature scenes.